Hello everybody, this is Cheryl David. I'm an estate planning attorney from Greensboro, North Carolina, and I'm doing a new weekly segment on things that are happening in the news that I think are relevant to the area that I love, which is estate planning. I love estate planning because if it's done correctly, people can protect their families, they can protect themselves if something goes wrong, like disability or death. Well, today I'd like to talk about the actor that's been in the news, and that's Seymour Hoffman. And by this point in time, we all know that he had a heroin addiction and he had an overdose. What some of you may not know is that in 2004, 10 years ago, when he had a partner that he loved and he had one child with, he drafted a will. And this will left everything to his partner, which that's fine, but in this case he was estranged from his partner and he had 3 children, and instead of leaving the money in trust for the 3 children, he left it all to her. So is that what he really would have wanted to happen? Of course, he's not here to talk to, but I believe that if he was, he would have told us that I want the money there held in trust for my 3 children, so that some of the things I suggested in my old will would really come true. So when he was addressing the one child that he had, his infant son, he said, I want my son to be raised in one of 3 cities. I believe he said New York, Chicago, and it was San Francisco, I believe. And he said that he wanted him to be raised there because of the culture, the architecture, and the vibrancy that he could find in those cities. Well, now that everything is going to his partner, Mimi, that's going to be her decision on how to use that money and whether or not these kids see this money and actually benefit from it in any way. I think that they will because this is their mother. Whether or not they will live in one of these cities that he loved and thought would benefit him, that's probably really doubtful. But anyway, that's today's Estate Planning Minute. So thank you for tuning in. Bye.